Hi, Adriana. Baby. I need you to do me a favor. Can you give me a bottle of water in the refrigerator? Over there. Come, give me the water.
Me?
No, her. I want Adriana to give me the water. No, Adriana. Over there. In the refrigerator. Okay.
What's that?
Huh? What happened here? Who's that? Huh? Oh my God, Hulk! Batman is in here. Oh! Oh boy! What, baby? You got scared? Oh my God, it's like I'm waking up these babies in the morning and the first thing that I do is to bother them with this stuff.
What you doing?
I don't know what happened with all the Avengers are here on the refrigerator. And what are you doing here, Batman? What's going on? You guys have a war or something here? What's happening?
Die.
No, baby, don't turn it off.
Mom,
What's going on? Wait a minute. Who's this in here?
Me?
Ah, look at this. Look at this boy.
The
There's a
boy.
dinosaur right here.
No.
All right. All right, baby.